Framework is a particular set of rules, beliefs, or ideas which one uses in order to deal with problems. A framework in programming is a tool that provides ready-made components or solutions that are customized in order to speed up development. A framework may include library. JavaScript frameworks are an essential part of modern front-end web development, providing developers with tried and tested tools for building scalable and interactive web applications. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about top 10 JavaScript frameworks to choose. Let's get started. Number 1. React.Js. React.Js is a free and open source JavaScript library for building user interface based on UI component. It's maintained by Meta and a community of individual developers and communities. It was released in May 29, 2013. It makes JavaScript more easier and easy to adopt. Number 2. Mithril.Js. Mithril is a modern client-side JavaScript framework for building single-page applications. It's fast and small and provides routing and XHR utilities out of the box. It's a newly born JavaScript framework. Vue.Js. Vue.Js is an open source view model front-end JavaScript framework for building user interfaces and single-page application. It was released in 2014. The features available with Vue.Js are virtual DOM, data binding, component, event handling, animation or transaction, computed properties, templates, and directive. Aurelia.Js. Aurelia.Js is a JavaScript client framework for web, mobile, and desktop that leverages simple conventions of creativity. It's a collection of modern JavaScript models. It was created in 2016 by Rob Eisenberg. Meteor.js. Meteor.js is a free and open source isomorphic JavaScript framework. It was written using Node.Js. It was released in 2012. It's easy to learn, and by it one can easily convert web apps into smartphone apps. Polymer.js. Polymer.js is an open source JavaScript library for building web applications using web components. It's being developed by Google developers and GitHub contributors. It was released in May 29, 2015. It provides the simplest way to create custom HTML elements. Backbone.Js. Backbone.Js is a JavaScript library with a respectful JSON interface, and it is based on the model view controller application design paradigm. It's lightweight. It was released in October 13, 2010. It allows to develop small web applications using jQuery framework and allows less code. Angular.js. Angular.js is a JavaScript-based open-source structural framework for dynamic web apps. It's mainly maintained by Google and a community of individuals and corporations. It was released in October 20, 2010. Ember.Js. Ember.Js is an open-source free JavaScript framework for building scalable single-page applications with a desktop feel. It's considered as the future of the web and it has amazing features. It was released in December 8, 2011. Svelte. Svelte is free and open source that generates minimal and highly optimized JavaScript code. It has advantages like lightweight, truly reactive, low learning curve, built-in animations and effects, etc. It's a tool for building fast web applications. It was released in November 26, 2016. Is it necessary to learn frameworks? In order to learn frameworks, you must have basic skills of the main language. It will be enough to learn any of this framework. Each framework has each advantages and disadvantages. You have to learn according to your requirements. In this video, I have shortly discussed on the top 10 frameworks of JavaScript. So there is no discussion on the advantages and disadvantages of the frameworks. I'll discuss them soon in my coming videos. If you have good skills in the basic language, it's not necessary for you to learn frameworks. Then it will be hard for you to be good in many programming languages and memorize them. I hope you have enjoyed this video and benefited by this video. You can like this video and subscribe to this channel. I have a blog site where I discuss more about these contents. The link of the site is given below. If you have any question, you can ask it in the comment section. You can also like our Facebook page and follow our Instagram and Twitter page. Hope to have a good day. Goodbye.